Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign a document in Adobe Acrobat. This is incredibly useful when you need to sign contracts, forms, or any official documents without having to print, sign by hand, and scan them back. Let's dive right in and get your documents signed digitally. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the documents you need to sign. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace ready for action. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the documents you've been working on lately, making it easy to find what you need from this list. Select the file you want to digitally sign. Click on it to open the document and prepare it for signing. Now that your document is open, look to the upper left toolbar and click on All Tools. This option gives you access to every feature Adobe Acrobat offers, including the signing tools we need. It's essentially your gateway to all the powerful functions available in the software. In the left sidebar that appears, click on Fill and Sign. This tool is specifically designed to help you add signatures, text, and other elements to your documents quickly. It's one of the most commonly used features for anyone who regularly handles digital paperwork. Once you're in the Fill and Sign section, navigate to the left panel and look for Add Signature, then click it. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be creating the actual signature that will appear on your document. You'll now see three options: Type, Draw, or Image. These give you flexibility in how you want your signature to look. Choose your preferred option based on what feels most natural or professional for you. For example, if you want to draw your signature, click on Draw. This option allows you to create a handwritten style signature using your mouse or trackpad. Start drawing your signature in the field that appears. Take your time to make it look the way you want, as this will be saved for future use as well. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Apply. This confirms your signature and makes it ready to place on the document. Now comes the fun part: placing your signature exactly where you need it. Click on the signature and drag it to your preferred destination area on the document. This could be at the bottom of a contract, next to a witness line, or anywhere else that requires your signature. Adjust the size if needed to make sure it fits perfectly. Finally, to save your newly signed document, look to the upper right corner and click the Save button. This ensures all your changes are preserved and your digitally signed document is ready to be shared or submitted. And there you have it, you've successfully digitally signed your document in Adobe Acrobat. This process saves time and makes handling important paperwork much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.